Hello everyone, this is my Cash4Clickz account. This is the main display. So far I have earned $113. I have 19 clicks, 2 referrals, and I have completed one task. If I go to cash out, here it shows me the process which is necessary to make the withdrawal. It's only for the first time. So you can see clicks, it's 95% completed, referrals 40% completed, task 25% completed, and overall it's 53% completed. So I have to reach it 100% to make my first withdrawal. So right now my balance is 113, and there are multiple payment options which you can select, like Bitcoin, Skrill, PayPal. So there is refer and earn program. The best way to get more referrals and more clicks is you can use your referral link and go to Facebook or any other social media like WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and paste your link over there. So on every click you will get $2. On referral you will get $8. So here it's showing the last withdrawals which are made. So this is the task bar. You can earn from $10 to $30 per task depending on the task. See, there are 4 tasks available which are $10, and these 4 tasks you will get $30 paid for every task, and it will not take more than 5 to 10 minutes. So overall it's looking good. I will make one more video after I got withdrawal, then I will show you the proof and the process for the withdrawal also.